How to download Tesco Clubcard app. Now, first of all, go to Play Store, open it, and after that, click on search. Now type Tesco like this and hit search. Now make sure to find Tesco grocery and Clubcard. So as you can see here in my results, they show me just 3 of them. Now if you don't find Tesco grocery and Clubcard, go back and open Chrome and click or type Tesco app like this and hit search. Now you can find Tesco grocery and club. As you can see in the first result, click on it and it will redirect you to the Play Store. And as you can see here, they show me this error message. This item isn't available in your country. So this is maybe for the US citizens. And if you want, you can turn on the VPN and change your location to be able to install the app. So this is how to download Tesco Clubcard app. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.